uh, NBL 1 bulan punya league tak cukup untuk nak improve kita punya standard.
Betul, too short. It's too short.
Dan aku pelik kenapa Maba buat decide national player tak boleh main ABL. Itu memang satu macam nak cakap movement yang macam you question.
Contradictory.
Yes, contradictory.
You want to develop but you don't want to let them play.
Tindakan Maba tak bagi dia punya national player, it's either for them, diorang bagi either you pick main Malaysia or you pick main ABL. That's it. And the funny thing is actually in ABL dia ada clause yang mengatakan bahawa player ABL if they being called up by the national team basically, diorang kena main national. Kalau tak diorang kena ban. Itu ABL punya rules. ABL sendiri buat macam tu. Maksudnya priority is national team. And then even the ABL pun bagi aku sebenarnya diorang punya, of course it's a commercial punya league, tapi basically diorang just nak improve standard league punya standard kan. So that's why actually itu dia punya overall punya goal lah basically sebenarnya untuk ABL.
I respect them about that because they know how to properly organize diorang punya grassroots punya development. Diorang memang diorang punya.
Why do you mean grassroots punya development bro?
No, okay. Tak, because macam kau punya clause bro, it shows that diorang lebih mementingkan national punya development kan. So in that sense, they are trying to promote the country tu punya development lah.
In that sense, okay,
tapi masalah bila kita Malaysia punya team, kita tak nak hantar national player main.
Kau tahu actually sebenarnya Malaysia national team patut hantar satu team dekat ABL, Petronas Malaysia. Seriously. Kenapa kau cakap? Kau tengok bola, kita bagi example bola. Harimau Muda. Ada main Pro League. ABL main 6 bulan. Lepas tu main berapa banyak game? 22 game. Kau tak rasa it's very good league for development? Tak payah pergi jauh lah, kita pergi local lah. Kita tengok NCBL Dia punya impact dia sebenarnya dekat NC punya players lah basically. When you have a very competitive, tak adalah very competitive pun, tapi then bila you play competitively every week kan, and then you of course kena ada kesinambungan dengan training kan, baru you boleh improve. Kalau you just main sebulan je, you training pun berapa banyak lama you boleh training pun, then you main sebulan je, I mean what happened between that off period, between the off season? Of course memanglah ada lagi others tournament, Agung Cup lah, this open tournament, that tournament, Sukma ke whatever pun semua. But then still kalau kita nak cakap pasal development kan, apa lagi platform yang lagi bagus kalau kau betul-betul nak develop kan. And then kalau kita bagi contoh Thailand, kalau kau tengok macam mana Joe Bryan bawa Thailand, dia bagi a lot of minutes to dia punya Thailand punya player.
Joe Bryan ni Kobe Bryant punya bapak by the way, kalau siapa-siapa tak tahu. Sambung balik. Tapi kita tak boleh nak expect Dragons bagi a lot of minutes kepada locals because
quality. Am I right? So actually Malaysia, Maba sepatutnya send a team, a national team, Petronas Malaysia ke or any other sponsor, dia punya sponsor, tak tahulah Falco Camp ke or Amograd ke, send a team, and then baru kau boleh develop betul-betul. Talent wise pool tu dah ada actually sebenarnya. It's just a matter of quality standards still tak ada lagi. But then diorang kena long term punya target lah. Betul tak? Kau tak boleh nak expect. Kau kena bagi tahu lah kat sponsor. Actually this is very kita punya national team, young punya national team. Kita memang tu kau pandai-pandai PR lah.
Yang tu it's on the PR and marketing side with the league lah, dengan the country tu diorang nak buat nak hantar team macam mana, nak cerita macam mana kan.
Yes. Kau tahu aku nak kutuk Maba sekejap Aku ada funny story hari tu aku pergi masa dia punya under 20 punya press conference kan.
Okay.
This Morton guy, Morton dia punya sponsor kan, dia cakap dia ada satu question je, macam mana apa yang Maba boleh buat actually nak bagi produk dia laris lah in terms of dia punya marketing kan. Lepas tu orang Maba tu pula cakap bagi dia orang banyak duit, which is a very stupid answer. Of course lah, dia cakap in a jokingly manner kan. Dia just macam joking lah. Padahal bagi aku is much more better answer is actually kalau kau cakap sekarang ni pun all the official ball semua pakai bola molten, betul tak?
Betul.
So
GG7
players,
all
yes,
that.
GG7, GM7 semua molten. So players actually bila diorang nak training, takkan nak pakai bola Spaldi, takkan nak pakai bola Nike. Automatically diorang akan pakai bola molten. Kita sekarang pun main petang pun nak kena molten kan.
Itu lah. Dah terbiasa.
Sebab the feel of the game tu kan actually.
Betul. Really helps.
So tak tahulah Maba punya marketing macam mana kan. Okay, moving on. ABL kan. Actually walaupun aku suggest Malaysia patut hantar national team main ABL kan. Another issue pula ABL sekarang ni, isu nak floating. Financially is one part, okay. Another thing is San Miguel sekarang ni aku ada baca artikel dekat website Philippines punya Spin Philippine. San Miguel dia nak pull out from ABL.
Shit, why?
The reason why aku tak habis baca lagi sebenarnya. Tapi basically macam tu lah. Tapi aku ada dengar rumours kat yang cakap Smart Gilas nak masuk ABL, which is a very actually good
competitive team lah. Smart Gilas dekat Pinoy punya league macam agak ni kan.
Although walaupun maybe dia bukan hantar dia punya best Smart Gilas kan, maybe cadet whatever the term that is.
Oh okay, dia punya development punya team lah.
Maybe development punya team. Still very good boost lah. Tapi aku ada dengar agak cerita lain, diorang cakap kenapa reason San Miguel nak tarik diri, sebab dia cakap kalau Smart Gilas masuk diorang tak nak join.
Takkan lah. Itu macam apa, little bit childish lah bunyi macam just because another Pinoy team nak masuk.
Itu rumours lah. Ada orang cakap, ada rumours lain pula cakap because of dia ada conflict of interest, sebab San Miguel punya macam stakeholders dia actually daripada another airline company, competitor for AirAsia. Itu yang aku dengar lah.
Conflict of interest.
Lepas tu Indonesia Warriors pun okay. Mari Wusang tak sambung kontrak dengan Indonesia Warriors. Dia main CSL Knight Surabaya, CSL Surabaya Knight tak silap aku. Indonesia Warriors punya future pun tak tahu lagi macam mana dengan ABL.
NCBL, yeah. NCBL, yeah. NCBL.